Hello guys, I'm Andres from Wise Workflows AI. Welcome to another video. And in this video, we're going to explore an AI image generator that you could use to create and sell business logos for a lot of money, use for your own business, or maybe as a free introductory offer that could get you a lot of clients. If you want to learn more, please stay tuned. Alright guys, so here we are at Ideogram's homepage, an AI image generator that is particularly good at generating images with text. If you want to try it out, I'm going to leave a link in the description below. So as I said in the intro, the goal is to create some business logos that you could use later on to maybe create a business logo service. You could use this as a free introductory offer to net you clients in maybe some graphic design service you provide, or if you are a social media agency, you could perfectly use this as a free gift for potential clients to get them interested. So you could use this for a lot of different use cases. So what's the idea here? Basically, creating quality logos, if you are not an experienced graphic designer, is a pretty difficult task. But fortunately, AI has lowered the entry barrier for this as well. Even if you are not a graphic designer, you'll quickly see that we could use this tool to create very high quality logos that could be perfectly used by any business. So how would I do this? I would first maybe pick a specific niche you would like to target. So for example, say you would like to go after barbecue restaurants in New York City. Let's go ahead and do a Google search that I have already entered here. So what I would do is first select businesses that may not have the most stellar logos. So let's go ahead and check John Brown Barbecue, for example. Let's click on the website. So it seems the logo is pretty basic. It's only text, John Brown Sears Barbecue. So with this, I would go back to Ideogram and enter a prompt such as an emblematic logo for a barbecue restaurant called John Brown. Let me verify that. Yes. John Brown. Include a secondary text in the logo that reads Serious. Let me verify what that text said. So yeah, Serious Barbecue. So this is a pretty basic prompt. You could go, of course, a lot more detailed than this. But let's go ahead and use this as a first exploratory prompt to see what we get. So regarding the settings, we are probably looking something similar to what they have here. So let's go ahead and pick 16 by 9 dimensions. Let's put the visibility private. So in order to do this, you need to have a paid account. Otherwise, all your creations will be public. For the model, let's use the last model. And for the color palette, again, we could go a lot more detailed and specific here, but for the sake of testing, let's leave the color palette to auto. Let's go ahead and click generate to see what we get. So the cool thing about Ideogram is that it gives you 4 iterations that are different in their style. So you then can go ahead and refine a specific one that you like. It does take a few seconds. And here we are. So yep, not bad. So yeah, I think the colors do fit with the style of the website. So one key thing that Ideogram does better than other image generators such as Midjourney, which is probably the most popular one as of now, is that it handles text a lot better. So you can see here that it pretty much nailed the text in all the iterations. So I do like this one maybe. So this one is not that bad either. So what we could do with this one, say we got this one as the first image that we would like to refine. We could go ahead and modify this part. This looks like some sort of pig meat. We could go ahead and refine this with the Canva tool. Let me show you how that works. So you would click on Canva. You would click on opening Canva. And this is going to open the image in a pretty cool tool that allows a lot of refinement here. So let's say we wanted to change this part and show some ribs in the grill. So for this we would use the magic fill tool. We will go ahead and pick one of the tools to select the part that we want to change. So let's use the rectangle mask. So you would then just select the part that you would like to change. Then you would click on next. And here in the prompt, you would detail what you would like to see instead of what is there in the original image. So let's go ahead and type ribs, black barbecue ribs on the grill. So that should be enough to get us what we want. Let's go ahead and try. We just need to click on magic fill. So this will take a few seconds. And as with the generate tool that we have used to create this logo, this is going to give us 4 iterations. So let's wait a few seconds until this gets done. So as I was saying, the Canvas tool is a pretty neat tool. We have a lot of functionality here, but for the sake of the brevity of this video, we're going to explore just the magic fill now. Let's zoom out a bit. So let's see what we got. You know what? Maybe we can try something else. Those do look as ribs, but they are not that clear. So let's go ahead and delete this. Let's try again and use the magic fill. We're going to use the same mask because we want to select the same part. So to do that, we're going to click on load previous masks. We're going to click on next, and let's now say let's just go ahead and delete black barbecue ribs to see what we get. Let's take off a constraint and let the tool use its creativity. Let's click on Magic Fill. We're going to wait a few seconds. So as you can see, this always takes a few seconds. Shouldn't be that long at all. And after this, we're going to play a bit with the dimensions of the logo and maybe take the background off. Okay, that looks much better. Yeah, probably. So this one does look good. I mean, the color does suit well with the rest of the logo. Yeah, I would use this one. Okay, so once you have something that you like, the next step, if you're in the canvas, is taking this image off the original one. So you would just click and drag. So what we have here, this is the original image, and this is the new iteration after using the Magic Fill. The next step would be to upscale this image to make sure that it is with the highest quality possible. So for that, you just need to select that and click on Upscale. For the prompt, you will leave this as is. You click Upscale. This is going to generate a new image that, again, is going to take a few seconds. This image is going to be an upscaled version of this last version we have refined. As you can see, this is faster than the generations. And there we have it. So to move around, we should just click the hand icon here, which will allow us to drag around the Canva. So I like this. Let's see if we can, let's first select it, if we can play around with the dimensions a bit. So I would just narrow this here, maybe take off some width here, maybe just narrow it down here as well. So that looks good. Okay, so here's the final version. It does look pretty solid. So what I would do next is just download this by clicking the three dots here. Download PNG with 100% quality. And yep, you pretty much have a very usable logo that you could send as is. And if the customer requests some maybe refining, such as removing the background, you could very easily do that with Ideogram as well. You would just need to remove the background here. Or you could use other AI tools, such as Remove Background or even Photoshop or Canva. That would be very easy as well. So yeah, you could just go ahead and, depending on the use case you have in mind, create maybe a sales script with ChatGPT, offering this as a product. You could maybe create some watermarks, or even better, which is what I would do, is use this as an introductory offer for upselling services such as graphic designing or social media management, for example. But yep, as you can see, this didn't took that long at all. It was pretty easy to do. Again, we could get a lot more detail in the prompt to get something more specific for this business. For example, we could have asked for a stylistic font, or maybe we could have just screenshot this and added the logo, the original logo, as a source. So to do that, we would just need to create, we would just need to download the logo, get us the PNG file of that, and click on upload. and we could use that as reference for the new logo. So anyways, guys, this was just an introductory video on Ideogram. Let me know if you would like to see more videos about this tool, the use cases you would like me to see discussed. Yeah, that is pretty much it. If you would like to stay tuned for more videos, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you are interested in getting tutorials, IA news, and other interesting content, please subscribe to my newsletter. I'm going to leave a link in the description below. That's it for now, and see you guys on the next video.